All right, guys, I'm about to set up my Infinity router table to do to edge some boards. So I'm gonna just let us play. Probably won't explain too much, but I'm gonna let it play while I start getting this set up and getting it ready to go. So first, raise the router up so that you can remove the blade. Pop the ring out. I like to lock it. I was running some doors were the real funky a little bit. I'll show you that later. So I'm gonna run a flush trim bit in here, and I'm gonna see which one I got. I got the Whiteside RU 5200 half-inch flush trim bit, and I'm gonna get this all set up. Bit in here. Let's vacuum all this out. I just like to make sure it's snug. I'm gonna drop down the sides. For my collet, my insert, I'm gonna drop down to the small one. Just because I don't need that much room. Nice little handy jig. All right, so I'm gonna drop this down. I don't need a whole lot of bits showing right now. Just doing some 4/4 boards. So I might need that again here in a second. All right, let me grab a screwdriver. So my roller table came with this offset that you put when you're utilizing this as a joiner. So I like to not do that, but it happens. Guess I loosened that one too much too. And don't worry, I'm not gonna edit this. I got too many things going on. So I like to just go, I like to just record and hit send. Probably try to get this out in the morning first thing, but we'll see. So I like to get it set up just close enough so that it pulls all of that extra dust in there. Get this one tight. Loosen this one up. Get that one set up just close enough. Now, grabbing my Woodpecker strip from my wall over here so that I can align all right guys, sorry for the interruption. I will edit this video after all, but that being said, I've got all of this set up pretty much. So I took my straight edge, I added my offset plate to this side, to my left side, since that's my feed direction. I'm going to set up my dust extraction. Currently right now I'm just using my Festool dust extractor that's right here. I'm still getting everything set up in my shop. I've got my Jessom, double check, yeah. I got my Jessom clamp, feed clamps, or feed, whatever you want to call these things. Just to keep everything running smoothly without jumping. Probably gonna have to test this out, make sure my speed settings are all good, get all of that done. But I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I may or may not have to plane these. I'll see. But I've got to edge these so I can rip them down. But I'll see what they look like after I edge them. And I'm not sure, I've never edited it. I've had trouble editing my videos in the past, but over the last year I bought a new laptop. I'm hoping that will assist me in editing all my videos, more compatibility with what I'm using. I'm just using my iPhone, and I have a Mac computer. But I'm going to shut this off and I'll start you back up in just a second, just due to noise, and then I'll try to edit and get all these videos together. All right, so as you can see, this side didn't do so well. I had to make some minor adjustments, but if you look, no gaps. And yes, this is a Woodpecker's Precision Square, Precision Ruler. So I'm gonna run the rest of these, mark them, and then I'm gonna run up and start ripping them down. But I thought I'd run this video for my business YouTube channel, and just trying to get a bunch of stuff done before I have to head out here in a little while. So yeah, and yeah, this is gonna be some Naughty Olive drawers. Just testing some stuff out and seeing what they look like, sanded and finished. But anyways, have a great day. Love the process.